Most attics are dirty, dark, and stinky places. But in the solar industry, if you're a solar technician, you've got to go in there, if you can. When you get into the attic as a solar technician, you want to look at a couple of details. You want to look at rafter spacing. You want to look at structural integrity of the roof. In essence, you want to figure out if the roof that you're going to put solar on can hold the array for the life of the asset. Is it strong enough? Will it uphold during weather conditions like winds or snow? And ultimately, will it be a good build? Rafter measurement 16 inches on center. It's looking good. I'm gonna get to the other side of this roof here and check the conditions. We'll get out of here quickly. Get this measurement. Oh boy, big spider webs. Another one that's 16 inches on center. Looks like it's decent condition. Oh, it's really dirty. I'll write that down. We got one more roof we want to measure. Let's go inside here, turn the light on. Now it looks like this one though has the ceiling still on it. We got a quick trick, which is we got the nails in here and we can measure the nails, how far apart they are. And that way we can figure out the rafter spacing up here. Typically though, you don't want to put a hole in someone's ceiling if you don't have to. That wraps up our structural survey, and I hate attics even more than when I started. But you know what? You always have to do an on-site survey because every roof can be different. You got to make sure that the customer is going to get a great system. You got to make sure that your installers are going to be safe. You got to make sure that what you designed is going to fit. That's what it comes down to. That's what quality solar is all about.